I have been working for Georgia Transmission Corporation since 1989. I am responsible for transmission line maintenance, anything involving the structures, the towers, the lines, the wire. I'm responsible to maintain that and make sure it stays in the air. After a major event, after a major storm, a hurricane or a tornado, the first thing we have to do is go in and see what the problems are. We already know what is de-energized, what is falling on the ground, but we need to get in there and actually look and see what we need as far as equipment goes, as far as manpower goes, how many people it may need, how many poles we need. After that, it's a matter of getting access to the lines, getting access through roads sometimes that are covered with trees. Then you have to clear out the old stuff that is fallen on the ground or broken or cut and start putting the poles in the ground, starting putting insulators on the poles, and then the final stage is putting the wires on the insulators and clipping them in, is what we call clipping it in, and putting the juice back on.